Oh my god. Can you believe that this is Sweden in the middle of October? Or at least the beginning, as it is 9th of October today. And this looks like beautiful summer paradise. If you just disregard the temperature, which is actually quite warm for my uh, statistics, 11 degrees Celsius currently, and it is 11 a.m. I am all alone on this big beach, big sandy beach, as the name stands, Stora Sand. Once again, I came here because it is so convenient to get here, and I knew that it's gonna be not so much wind because the wind is blowing west, and we are now here east. So I don't know how to explain. The wind is blowing from west to east, and that's why I came here, because I know it's gonna be good to enjoy and soak up the sun and have a swim. I have been here now a few times in the past month, and I think I was here last week as well. But I just love it, and it's so nice here to swim, which I'm also going to do. And I'm just wondering how warm it is in the water. Is it still steady 13, 14, or has it become colder? First reaction is that it's quite okay. So let's see. Yeah, this is Stora Sand, one of the two sandy beaches, Björnö Sand that are called. The other one is Lilla Sand, it's just around the cliff over there. And it's a bit smaller than this one, but not so small as such. And the Björnö Nature Reserve is very well known for its beautiful nature, and also lots of rocks and cliffs that you can swim on as well along the coast here. And even one more sandy beach, Strand, that I have been to. Was it earlier this week? I don't remember. There are so many beaches that I just keep losing track of some of them. And we have, okay, 13 degrees Celsius. Slightly below 13, but we're gonna round up to 13. Yeah, such a beautiful sunny day, perfect to spend it on the sea. 9th of October, and tomorrow my public transport card ends, and I don't think I'm going to renew it because the weather is becoming worse next week. But I'm also going to maybe travel over the weekend also, so let's see where I end up. Other than that, enjoy this nice view that I have right now, and bear in mind that on this beach there won't be sun that much longer because it is facing east, so expect at this time of the year the sun to be out by 3 p.m. But if you continue further down towards Björkvik and then towards one that I call Nudist Beach on the cliffs, it is facing west, and then you can catch the sunset. So you can start the day here and then end it on the cliffs that are facing Björkviksbrygga here in Värmdö. Yeah, I love Värmdö. I might even move here because it is so much beautiful nature. It's a little bit far from the city, I would say, though, but yeah, there are frequent buses as well. So yeah, I just love it. So let's then enjoy a nice swim. First dip for this vlog, but I'm going to continue to swim after this vlog for 10 minutes, as I really think that 13 degrees is decent enough temperature to continue in my streak in swimming. It is so lovely, it is so amazing. I'm just so happy right now to be able to having a swim on this wonderful Thursday. So yeah, let's then get going and hit the waters here at Stora Sand in Björnö Nature Reserve. Let's go! It's amazing! It's so beautiful. This is life. This is life indeed. Fantastic. I just can't believe I have the whole beach just for myself. And I'm gonna be chilling here and taking one more swim later. And yeah, if you are in Stockholm visiting and want a nice beautiful beach that is like Caribbean paradise plus the green trees, then this is the spot for you. Even though it's a bit chilly, make sure to come here when it's sunny because it's much better. So that is a wrap from Stora Sand. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna definitely see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.